Welcome to HH Kids Portal.
A for apple, found in a castle. B for ball, buy from a mall. C for cat, wearing a hat. D for duck, it says quack quack. E for air, looks like a pear. F for fish, roasted in a dish. G for got into a boat. H for hat, how pretty is that? I for ice, it's shaped like a dice. J for joker, playing the score. K for kite, its color is white. L for lamp, lit up in a camp. M for moon, we cannot see at noon. N for nest, where birds take rest. O for ox, strong like rocks. P for parrot, eating a carrot. Q for coin, respect her and land. R for ring, a beautiful thing. S for sun, there only one. T for tree, oxygen for free. U for unicorn, mare with a horn. V for vegetable, they are incredible. W for water, do not waste, sad doctor. X for xylophone, let's play a tune. Y for yolk, a protein stock. Z for zip, a strong grip.